Aerodynamics. The Alpine A110 combines visual purity with aerodynamic efficiency. To achieve this result and to preserve the fluid lines, technical solutions from the world of competition have been applied. Solutions which until now have been reserved for supercars. So the Alpine A110 can boast a CX value of 0.32, which is one of the best ratings in its market. And it catches the eye immediately, as it is the only car in its category able to reach 155 miles per hour without an airfoil or a spoiler. At the front, air inlets at each side of the bumper limit vortex effects. Thanks to these inlets, airflow around the wheel wells has been greatly improved. The flat floor and diffuser work together to generate the ground effect. Whilst the flat floor helps to reduce drag, the diffuser, installed below the rear bumper and fitted with vanes, generates an area of low pressure that directly increases the aerodynamic downforce. In front of both quarter panels, there are fully integrated air inlets that provide the fresh air needed to help cool the turbocharged engine.